Welcome to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day. We're back in Oregon. The trip to Florida was amazing, but when I was gone, I did get a package. So we're going to be doing an unboxing and giveaway on this video. So just watch the whole video through and you'll see what it is. But we have a new sponsor, the first sponsor of the channel. It's Maxpeedingrods. And if you haven't heard of them, I'll leave a link down to their website down in the description below. But they carry a bunch of different car parts, you name it. Turbos, connecting rods, coilovers, just a bunch of different suspension parts and engine parts. So I'll leave a link to their website down below and you can check it out. And also, I have a coupon code to save 15%, but you'll have to wait till the end of this video to get that. But let's get this package open and see what they sent us. Alright, let's see what they sent us. I'm really happy to have them as sponsors of the channel. And they do have warehouses all over the world, so you get fast shipping. Right now we got two of the same parts, one for me and one for the giveaway. So we will open this one up. Let's see what they sent. This is going to be for the B and D series guys out there. Okay. We got short throw shifter here. Let me get you off the tripod. Alright, got out of the package here. First look at it, it looks pretty good. You got the ball right down here where you can adjust the throw from underneath the car. You do that before you install it. Then you also can adjust the throw with this arm that goes right up in here. Slides right in. And then you adjust these Allen keys right here. It reminds me of the K-Tune one I have right here. This is first gen K-Tune shifter. And I do like it. I like how you can adjust it. What I'd recommend, because when I installed that one, I did make the throw a lot shorter. I went to the top more. I can't remember. I'll leave a link to the video down below of the install, because this one will be exactly the same. But I would have kept it in the middle, because you got the adjustment here, and sometimes it hangs too low, and when I go over speed bumps, it hits. But okay, so just looking this over with both hands, you'll see how it is. It does come with the hardware needed, so these are the spacers that go right in here. The bearing down here seems pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty good right here. The adjustment goes up and down really easy. You don't have to force it. And then the locking piece right here, and it does come with the Allen key to be able to tighten these down. So if you find the spot you want, you line this up. Here, let me take this out. So you line it up with this flat piece, and that's where you're going to tighten it down. And like I said, I'd probably put it in the middle after doing the install I did on that. And then you got a pretty good curvature. So this should help with, I believe it's EK dash is forward. Sometimes it needs to kick back. This looks like it has a bigger kickback on it than the K-Tune one. And then for this, it's pretty much preference. Just set it wherever you want it. Tighten it down real good. Try and make sure it lines up with these little divots. But yeah, overall, this seems pretty good. Pretty good product. So if you want to win this short shifter for our B or D series, just all you have to do is follow me on Instagram, follow Maxpeedingrod on Instagram, and the links for the Instagrams will be down in the description below. And when you're done with that, just comment your Instagram handle down in the comments of this video so I can verify you are following both the accounts, and I'll put you in to be entered to win this. Today is the 1st when this video is coming out. Let's see what days I have off. June. So let's say the 18th. So the 18th, we'll do the drawing on the 18th and giving you 18 days to enter. The last time to enter is by noon of the 18th, and we'll be doing an Instagram live for this later that evening. So 12 o'clock Pacific Standard Time is the last time you can enter it in on the 18th. So go to our Instagram, give us a follow, and just leave a comment. And if you do not win this and you do want to get this, they have affordable parts for you. I got 15% off for all you guys. Anything on the website. The coupon code is CZMain. So go check out their website. Once again, it's down in the description below. Browse, see what they have. Maybe you'll find something you'll want, and you can save 15%. I hope you guys enjoy this giveaway. Hopefully a lot of you enter, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, peace out. Really simple. Go to my Instagram and Maxpeedingrods Instagram and give us a follow. And then when you're done with that, just comment your Instagram. Oh my gosh. I swear to God, I cannot freaking talk ever.